Namaste. So today's challenge is bridge posture or Setu Asana. So for that you have to lie down on your back, bend the legs. The first step is you're going to try to interlace your hands behind your back, squeeze your shoulders. You might be here, here, or here. So lift your hips how much you can. Strengthen your core here. Maybe lift the right leg up. Feel the shake. Hold it there. Bring it back. Try with the other leg. So this is half bridge posture. Now, once you're ready, you're going to bring your hips down. You're going to bring your hands close to your shoulder or under your shoulders, and then maybe lift the hips up first and maybe a little bit more. And once you have a practice, you can straighten your arms and lift yourself all the way up. Maybe come to the toe. Breathe. And when you're ready, you're going to slowly, the way you go into the posture, come out from the posture the same way and bring the hips down. And then you can straighten the legs. Relax. Bend the legs. Turn it up on the side. And when you're ready, slowly come back. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Namaste and have a great day.